Right, so although you are not an alien customer, you say you're still taking part in my little trivia I have going on.
Yes, yes.
So this segment is called Let We Hear You, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here what I want to hear from you. I want you to sing a little chorus from a local song. It could be a soca, a gospel, a that clean. Right? We're keeping it clean. Anything. Sing a two line for me now.
A two line?
Yeah, sing a little hum a little thing. It's a real local songs out here. Any artist from Trinidad. 2 words alone where you give. Alright, you start it and I'll finish it.
Alright. Now, baby, just relax and give me inch by inch.
Oh gosh, I go inch by inch. Rock back on it. Dice it. Thanks for your time.
Of course.
Alright, enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, let we go.